Hello YouTube, I'm coming down from the roof in nasty weather. Has been snowing for the last few days and now it's pool raining, which is a nasty combination. Humidity is high, the temperature right now is almost 60 degrees, so we went from one extreme to the other. This service called, actually this video is a pretty short video showing you how something so simple it can turn into a major problem. They had a walk-in cooler down, has been on the 30 degrees for 24 hours, so they lost a lot of product, and they still have some in there. I don't know what they're gonna do with it, but so I'm just getting down from the roof and I got the unit on, and I'm gonna show you in a minute what I found. It's funny. This happened to me probably like 7 years ago in another walk-in. It wasn't a walk-in freezer, it was a walk-in cooler, not like this one. The other one, it was one of those walk-in cooler with the glass doors, you know, one of the big ones. And a previous technician lost hours trying to find out what the heck was happening. The unit was single facing, the condensing unit was single facing, and he couldn't figure it out why. He went crazy. Then the guy, it was an old technician. He called for help, so I went to help them, and it didn't took me too long to find what the problem was. And since then I had in my memory that day. It was really hard to make the manager from the store to believe what happened. But anyway, we tried to explain her the best way we could what the problem was, even when it was something very stupid. At the end she ended and say, all right, no problem, if that's what the problem is, that's fine. Then the next week in that location they call us again. Now I went and I found the same freaking problem. So then in that time I just grabbed a bottle of nitrogen and I cleaned the unit up, all the electrical compartment, and that, I believe, it solved the problem permanently. Now with this situation over here, it was the same thing. So as soon as I got up on the roof, I got my memories back from that incident that happened to us. And I hope you don't have to go through this to find out, especially in a day like today. Right now it's pool raining and it's difficult to open the walk-in cooler, the walk-in freezer, the condenser, and walk with the electrical stuff, in the pool rain. But anyways, it's something that you may need to look through. Sometimes it's not crazy stuff like it's a bad contactor or a bad controller. Sometimes it's something very obvious, so you just need to look through. Just grab a flashlight and look through for the obvious thing, and sometimes the problem is right in front of your face, but you have to look through. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. It's a short video, but at the end it's always a good lesson, for anyone, and I hope you remember this situation. Alright guys, see you later up on the roof. I hate to bring my bag under the rain, so for right now I'm just gonna bring my drill. We're gonna open this unit up and see what we got, and we're gonna proceed from there. It's a very muggy day today, as you can see. It's been snowing for a couple days, but now the rain is holding the day in on the 55-60 degrees. Very muggy day. So this is the walk-in. Alright, service call for a walk-in freezer down. I'm gonna try to protect the phone from the water. Walk-in freezer now working. So we got this guy over here, 52 degrees. It's supposed to be calling for cooling. Now I don't know if this is the problem, but I just found something that it took my attention. See those bugs? They're everywhere. See them? So I believe I got a nest inside there. So let's take a look. See, they're all over. They're all over here. I mean, a lot of them. A lot. So jeez. So the guy told me, the manager told me that the unit has not been running constantly. It was running a couple days, and then temperature goes up and then drops, not all the way. So it has been on constantly. So gonna see what we got here. Hold on, let's get the cover out first. There's one bug coming out already. Another one. I got the feeling that it must be a lot of them. Actually, you probably don't see it, but there is full of those bugs right here, right now. All of them dead. There's a lot of them over here too. I mean, it's cold. I don't know how they can hold it in this weather. Today probably is the only day that has that is warm, but for the rest of the week it was brutal cold. There's a lot of bugs coming out there. All right, let's see what we got. Oh boy. All right, let's put this here for now. You can see them. Let me get a better shot from this angle. See them? A lot of them all over. Look at that crap. See them? Whoa, look at that. There's a bunch of them. All hiding in this gap. I mean, a lot. Let me see if I can get a closer shot. I don't know if that is the problem. Probably not, but anyways, I had problem with bugs in the past. Getting inside the contactors and putting the system in a single phase condition. Well, have to get that. Yeah, I can tell you what the problem is already. Shut this off. Those freaking bugs are everywhere. Let me show you. See? Those bugs, they get inside the contactor and they single phase the contactor. I'm gonna show you right now. That happened to me in the past with another walking cooler. See? A lot of them. They're everywhere. Everywhere. Even in the condenser fan compartment. Alright. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, the idea is gonna be bring nitrogen up on the walk-in cooler, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to blow all those bugs away and try to have the electrical compartment clean out of bugs. And we're gonna open the contactor and I'm gonna show you what we got. Alright, it's raining pretty hard. Let's see if we can do this. We got nitrogen already. I have to get these guys out of my unit, so I'm sorry for them. They have to go. Alright, let's see how we do this. Alright, the problem is I've been trying to find out where the breaker is for the power for this unit, and I dropped the one that it says freezer walking condensing unit, but it's still, I still have power. See? So see what I mean? Hold on. Let me get my flashlight so you can probably see better. See the little box? Oh, Jesus. Sorry. I guess that by this little guy. Alright. So, well, I have to glue those guys out, make sure that we got no one in there, and restore the unit up. Beautiful. Alright, as you can see, it's raining a lot right now. Not a safe condition to work, but anyways, probably you can see better this way. So I just blew the contactor. I got all the bugs out, so we're gonna see what happened. Let me show you how the contactor looks now. See, no bugs. I hope there is no one of them inside the contact. I hope not. But anyways, I hope the my controller is not damaged either. Alright, that looks like it's fine. Alright, see what happened now. There she goes. That's a beautiful thing. See what couple bucks can do to a walk-in cooler. They almost lost the entire walking just for a couple bucks inside the contactor. Alright, I would like to make this video longer, but right now it's full raining and I have to get out of the roof and I have to protect the system from getting wet. So thank you for watching this short video. Just keep it in mind, in cold weather the bugs try to find warm places and the contactor is one of them. Alright guys, see you later.